Hello and welcome. I am at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. This is the stand of Knaus Tabet. I'm going to show you this vehicle here. It's a Live I. It's on a tag axle at the front. It is a very long vehicle, 9-meter long vehicle, and we're now going to have a look inside. This thing here will cost, there you got it, 143,500 euros. It is 859 centimeters long. Sorry about this, I thought it was 879. So 859, I said 9 meters, 9-meter class, not even 9 meters, 8.5 meters. 232 centimeters in width, standing height inside is 2 meters, height 290. So let's have a look at it. It's not top of the range. The top of the range model is the Sun I. Right, okay, what do you see in here? Well, we've got a bed over the front sitting position. Very nice chairs there. If you want a big sitting area at the front, in my opinion, it's not so difficult to get into the chairs from here. Excellent. 140, whatever it was, 3,000, and they can't even put a flat floor in. That is awful. In my opinion, it shows a complete misunderstanding. Well, I believe, or maybe I completely misunderstand the market. I'm now going to come in here and show you the 2-meter high internal standing height. All I can assume is all those chocolates I've been eating here have made me grow. Well, I cheated. The 2 meters is probably down there. But you know, it should not be like that. I don't think at all. Anyway, that's my opinion. Anyway, I'm going to close the door because there's a bit of noise out here. And oops, I can't close the door. All right, okay. I'm not going to close the door because there's a thing in the way of the door. Right, bed will drop down. I might be able to demonstrate the bed. I can't do it all the way, but I can show you the size of it. I think it's good that it comes down manually. I really need 2 hands, and apart from that I haven't prepared it, but that gives you an indication of the size. Also note there is a skylight in the roof. Not a lot of room under this chair, obviously, because I have to put the chairs down, and for that I need 2 hands, but at least I've shown it how big it is. Window on that side, window on that side, curtain to the window. As we come back here, we will find sink. We've got 3 burners, we've got storage under it, we've got over here fridge, we've got over here freezer, we've got this big bed at the back, we've got storage along the back, we've got this pointless decorative bit here which I can't see the point of at all. They could have put storage up, particularly at this price level. They've got a window there with a curtain, and on the other side a window and a curtain, and up here there is a skylight, large one. We've got here a bit, this is a German layout, this will fit in here to give you a nice big bed. This will actually, the ladder wouldn't normally be there, it'd be a bit further forward, but the point is to actually give you an idea. Looking under here, you will find that there's one mattress here, another mattress there. That makes a lot of sense, because when you pull this thing here up, you've got access to underbed storage. And if you come over here as well, you'll notice it's the same story. That is a cushion or bit of a mattress from some other view. You can also open this down here as well. Now, in some other vehicles they don't have separate mattresses, which I think is an awful idea. There's your shower. If you don't want somebody to see in the shower, there's a rail up here, and on this side you'll find a what do you call them? It's a curtain. Yeah, it's a curtain. Right, so find a curtain. Put that over there like that. Goes over there. In here we will find a wardrobe. could benefit from a light. And over here we will find toilet. I mean, that step should just, in my opinion, just shouldn't be there. Oh, you know what this means? It's about to start. Right, so I just continue. I let the lady talk, not instead of not talking over. Okay, I think this step here is awful. I noticed the cabinet there behind the mirror opened the wrong way. Up here we've got the Dometic aircon unit. I'll just demonstrate that this is 2 meters here. There's me. There is my hand on the roof. So, you've heard that people are coming in. I'll just show it from inside actually, because we've got the main entrance is here. So this is the very first hall that people come into. So, I mean, for Knaus to actually get this hall, that was a very good idea. People may well indeed make their minds up as soon as they come in. So, from the marketing point of view, I have to say that was a good idea. Of course, there is another argument that they might just come through here, have a look here, then decide to buy somewhere else. I don't know. I mean, how people, I don't know, people make their minds up. You've got hundreds of vehicles here. If you knew nothing about it, how could one possibly decide? I mean, I don't even know. I get here and it's a case of I don't even know what I want to see first sometimes. Okay, there you go. I have a negative opinion of this vehicle. And okay, there are a number in this series, as you see, but as things stand, I'm not going to get close to them. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.